Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EverSewn Sparrow 30 sewing machine. Now, this is the machine stuffed with features yet easy to use. The computerized EverSewn Sparrow 30 performs both sewing and embroidering. You can choose from 310 built-in stitches in total, including 2 full alphabets for lettering and monogramming, 32 utility and 84 decorative stitches. For kids who have the passion for embellishing their belongings, it is a great choice. While discovering the world of creativity, a child usually wants more and more options, so this investment will fill the bill. The width of the decorative stitches can be set up as desired. The memory function allows saving stitch combinations and settings and use them afterward. In addition, such features as the automatic needle threader and cutter, and adjustable presser foot pressure make the sewing much easier and more fun for kids. The slider on the front gives full control of the sewing speed, which is the easiest type of speed control for children. In the box, there are 7 standard pressure feet for different purposes. The accessories coming with the machine make sewing a breeze. The only flaw of the machine is that, whereas sewing machines by Brother & Singer have a 25-year limited warranty, the EverSewn machines are backed by a 10-year limited warranty on mechanical parts and a 1-year warranty on electronics. But we think that the difference of the mechanic's warranty may be not important because after 10 years of active usage children, or teenagers, will probably want to replace the device with more modern one. However, when it comes to electronics, the 1-year warranty is not long enough. Altogether, the EverSewn Sparrow 30 has everything that an accomplished sewer needs, so it is recommended to buy this product for kids who already have a positive experience in sewing and like to use gadgets. Many children are more experienced in computerized devices than their parents are, and for young users this model will be just perfect. If a child is not interested in a smartphone or tablet, the feature-loaded device may be intimidating for them. Moving on at number 4, we have the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. With only 6 built-in stitches, the Singer Start 1304 is a go-to option for beginners. Kids who just start learning how to sew usually don't need a wide variety of built-in stitches or other functions. They need simple basic features and a user-friendly design, and the machine offers exactly these advantages. The stitches have preset length and width, and the machine comes ready to sew, so you can just turn it on, choose one of the stitches, and start a sewing process. The bobbin winding system is simple and automatic, so even a kid can get along with it. One of the super important features that even a simple machine should have is a free arm. The free arm is made for sewing tubes of fabric such as pants hems or sleeves. The Singer Start 1304 has the easy-to-use free arm, and your kids will have no problem with learning how to make a perfect sleeve for a shirt or jacket. The device has no built-in needle threader and the foot pedal speed control. This is a minus for young inexperienced novices. Nonetheless, children will enjoy sewing with a little help from grown-ups. Due to its lightweight, the model is portable and kids can easily move it and even take it to sewing classes. In the case of an accident, if the machine drops on the leg, it will not cause serious harm. The Singer Start 1304 is made by Singer, a company that is famous all over the world for its high-quality products and custom-friendly technical support. The sewing machine comes with a 25-year limited warranty. At number 3, we have the Singer Talent 3323 portable sewing machine including 23 built-in stitches. The Singer Talent 3323S is good for passionate novices. It has 23 built-in decorative and utility stitches to customize a child's design. The stitch length and width are adjustable. Thanks to the high presser foot lifter, the machine can sew through several layers of thick or bulky fabrics. It features the automatic needle threader that threads the eye of a needle for you and protects eyes from fatigue. In addition, there is an easy-to-use one-step buttonholer. A variety of accessories includes one general-purpose presser foot and 3 special-purpose feet for a zipper, button sewing, and buttonhole. The device is good for children with little experience in sewing, especially for those who want to join sewing classes. This lightweight model is portable and offers all basic functions with some additional like high piercing power for a blind hem. The only disadvantage of the device is the foot pedal speed control that is comfortable for children older than 7 years. Singer is known worldwide for the outstanding quality of products and long-term warranties. The Singer Talent 3323S is backed with a 25-year limited warranty. The company also provides beginners-friendly customer support. At number 2, we have the Janome Pink Sorbet easy-to-use sewing machine. The Janome D047252S Pink Sorbet is extremely easy to use due to the tutorial videos, including the quick start guide, and built-in bobbin diagram. The machine features 15 built-in stitches, so kids can customize their design. The front-loading bobbin system makes the access to bobbin very easy. Thanks to the heavy-duty metal frame, the device is durable and steady yet lightweight. This means that children can take their portable sewing machine to friends' home and create a craft together. The LED light illuminates the working space and protects the eyes from fatigue. The product has only 2 disadvantages. The first is the foot pedal for controlling stitch speed. Despite many positive reviews, some of the younger children may not be okay with that. The second minus is the manual thread tension control. However, with a little help from parents, children get along with the system easily. The machine has a long list of advantages, including the removable free arm, 3-piece feed dog system, adjustable stitch length and zigzag width. In addition, there are 4 feet such as a zipper, 4-step buttonhole, blind hem and general-purpose foot. With the machine come a 25-year limited warranty and a bunch of accessories. Compared to other manufacturers, Janome is one of the best in the market, so buying one of its products, you make a good investment. The sewing machine was designed with novices in mind, so it would be ideal for kids of any age. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother Sewing Machine. The first thing that jumps out at you when you see this machine is that the design of the Brother SM1738D was made special for kids. You can choose from 4 faceplates, including Elsa from Frozen, Disney Princess, Mickey Mouse, and Minnie Mouse. Children love cartoon characters and perceive the machine as a friend. The product also comes with a stylish Disney dust cover. In spite of its look, the Brother SM1738D is fully functional and high-performing. It provides 17 built-in utility and decorative stitches. To select your stitch, just turn the dial. The 4 sewing feet for different purposes allow you to handle general sewing, to create buttonholes, to sew on buttons, and to insert zippers. The device also features a jam-resistant quick-set drop-in top bobbin, automatic bobbin winding system, and clear bobbin cover, which also adds usability. Additionally, the machine has brightly lit LED work area that let you see all the stitches clearly and easily thread a needle. This model has no built-in needle threader, and in the reviews, some users consider this a disadvantage. Included are a bunch of accessories, such as an extra spool pin, a twin needle, a darning plate, a user manual in both English and Spanish, and an instructional DVD. If your kids are good with foot pedal speed control and they are older than 5, the product will be a good choice for entry-level sewing. If children are younger than 5 or they have difficulties with the system, better choose a model with a slider speed control. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.